Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So one of the first things you can do is click on your profile icon, then go into YouTube Studio, then go to Content. This is how you can download your own videos here. So when you hover over one of the videos, you should see these three dots. You just want to click on there. You should have the option to download. So you just want to click on that. That will just download the video for you. But if you want to download YouTube videos from another channel, just obviously click on one of these videos. And you should see underneath the video itself the download option on here. So all you need to do is just click on there, and you should have the option to download with premium. And you can obviously just try it for free. So that's how you can download YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.